When I came up for the concept on this FD3S, I wanted it to be true to the heritage, a twin-turbo 13V, but I knew I had to make it wild. So we got these big single turbos. We're going to set it up as a twin. We needed to have some extra fuel, so I've got 6 2000cc injectors. We're going to push some serious air through that 13V, but hey, this is my version of twins.
On that wing, because it was our first time with it. He picked us off at Sears Point or somewhere and said, "You guys got to get rid of this piece of shit wing." I'll give you one. Let me get this thing off your dash.
All right, so we're hanging out here at KMR, got the Wraplegends crew, flying drones, Matt Hill, bunch of fab work, my pops, and we finally got our BN Sports Mastermind FD on the ground. We're dropping this Bridgeport 13V motor in. Now's the time to let us know what you want to see. Kyle Mohan Racing, drifting.com. We're out here filming. We're going to put a motor in my beautiful FD3S. Make sure to follow, say what's up. We got car projects.